creating a partner with the miss.
Mihango ya kuhuranana na kuongerereka gwa ciana iria iciaragwo na murimu wa mukingo kaunti-ini ya Turkana ni horetwo jeki Gikundi kia EGPAF Glass Pediatric AIDS Foundation kiria kiruguritie tabarira ithano mwena ucio. Gikundi giki kiria gikoragwo ngwataniro na Ministry of Ugima wa Mwiri o ndumwe na thirikari cia kaunti gikoretwo gigitheremia utungata uyu kwa ihinda ria miaka 30. Kurigana na Dagitari Joseph Epem, uria niwe mutafariri wa mihango ya ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Turkana, augite ni megutigirira andu aria mari na murimu wa mukingo ni magunika na irio niguo kumateithiriria kugia na mayu ma gwitiria dawa iria mahuthagira cia murimu ucio.
It is the first 90 is ensure that 90% of the population know their HIV status. Then the second 90 is 90% of those who know the HIV status are put on treatment. And the last 90 is 90% of those who are on treatment are virally suppressed.
Munene wake Tony Wood uria ni mutongoria wa kanitha wa gathoreki mwena ucio ni gwite tabarira eno ni guteithiriria kunina kaimana ciana iria iciaragwo na murimu wa mukingo.
Will have good results and that we will come to a time when the Elizabeth Lazier will be correct and there will be no child born with AIDS.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Rito rako ni Mwihaki wa Kamau.